Hello everyone, welcome to the new part. In this part, we will learn how to add a new package from Nuget to an existing application. We will create a demo in which we will learn how to add a package from Nuget using CLI into your existing application. Also, if you need to install the older version of the package, then we will also learn how can we install the older version into our application. Before creating the demo, let's understand what is the command to add a new package. We will use add package. So this is the command which is used to add any package into your .NET Core application. Now let's create a demo and let's see how to do all these things into an application in the real world. Here I will open my command prompt, and in the command prompt, if I go to the E drive, and inside this E drive, let's create a new folder for the application. Okay, and let's go inside this folder, and here we can create a new application. How? Using .NET command, .NET new console, and let's give it a name. Suppose the name is my sample application. Okay, now the application is created successfully, and now if you need to add the package into your application, then you first have to go to the Nuget website. This is the official website of the Nuget, nuget.org. In this website, you can find all the packages which are required for the .NET application. Here you can search for the package inside this search bar, or you can directly click on the package which is available in the top menu bar of this website. If I click over here, you can see all the packages are available on this website. Now if you need to install any package, then you can choose any of them. Suppose I need to install Bootstrap into my application. Okay, and if I click on the Bootstrap, then you can see that here a command is already written, and this command is for the package manager. If you are using .NET CLI, then you can choose this option and you will get the command for the .NET CLI. And here is the command .NET, which is the driver for the CLI, then add package. This is the command which is used to add a new package. After that, you have to provide the name of the package and then version. If you do not provide the version of the package inside your command, then by default the latest version of the package will get installed into your application. Okay, so you can just directly copy this command from here and you can directly run it into your application. Okay, so let's go to the application first, and let's open this application inside Visual Studio Code. Now you can see that this is the application, and in the CS pros file we have only two things, the target framework and the output type. Now let's run the command to add a new package, and we have already copied the bootstrap package path. So if I paste it here and press enter, you will see the package is getting installed, and it is installed in the application. Let's see the changes in the Visual Studio Code, and you can see that one item group is created here in the CS pros file, which is saying package reference included. So this indicates that this is a package, and the name of the package is bootstrap, and this is the version of the package. Okay, that's how you can add a new package into your existing application. If you need to change the version of the package, then simply inside this command, after the version dash version, you can give your own version which you want to install into your application. If you need to install some older version, then you can provide the older version here. If you do not provide any version, then by default the latest one will get installed into your system. That's all in this part. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.